Well, good morning, YouTube. It's Saturday morning, and look what we woke up to. Snow. Well, sort of snow. It's kind of an ice snow. I'm kind of disappointed because all I wanted to do today is use my snowshoes. But anyway, you know what? When life gives you lemons, make lemonade, right? Actually, that makes no sense. Hey, listen, I've got all kinds of fun stuff I'm going to do. I've been surfing, doom scrolling, I guess is what the kids call it. All kinds of creative things today, and I gotta get out here and finish up some projects. And I've got some things that I've been working on throughout the week. I want to shoot my new pistol. It's not new. I've had it for a couple months, but I've got a couple little projects I need to finish up. And if you're into sticking around and hanging out with me, we're gonna have some coffee. We're definitely gonna have some coffee. But if you're into it, stick around. Let's do this. It is definitely blustery. You can hear the ice coming down. I hope that turns into snow. Got my little wind chimes going. Let's get some heat going and let's do this. Whew. Oh my gosh. Well, here's my project. Sorry, the lighting's terrible, but see this bench here? Yeah, sit tight and I'll show you what this bench is all about. Get some heat going. Whew. Let's see if we can get some coffee rolling here. Looks like we got a telephone pole on fire. Got a telephone pole on fire somewhere. Listen to the first responders. Put it out. Well, this is icy. My canteen, it's got some ice in it. Oh, I'm glad I emptied it. Yeah, there's ice chunks in there. That'll take care of that. Let's get some action going here. Get some of Chuck's Bustelo going. All right, Melissa says that there's an estate sale in town. She's going on Facebook to see if they've shut it down. This place, people lose their minds when there's ice here and they start shutting everything down. So it wouldn't surprise me if they closed the sale, but I know the guy and he's tough, so he might tough it out. Yeah, we got a little fire going. Little ways yet. Woo! Got some heat going. Knock that edge off. Well, it is coming down. And there might be enough snow right there to try my snowshoes out. But it's starting to get blustery. I've come in to get light bulbs, but I know I discovered these muffins.
How much are you want for me?
Huh?
Here's 360 watts.
I need
soft
four.
light.
I need four. Okay.
Wow. Just.
Well, could I have 4, please?
Wow.
May I have 4?
Ben?
Did you find out if the estate sale's going?
Ben, I'm sitting on my button bed.
Okay.
Stay here.
All right. I got coffee going. I got to get going back to shop. I'll let you know how Stormageddon is coming. Whew. It's cold. Uh-oh, we got a boil. Woo! Not quite. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks like coffee. Smells like coffee. Woo! It is black. Okay, projects. Let's get to doing some projects. All right, so I'm putting some power strips up underneath here, but the lighting's really bad that I can see. So let me get that done and get these lights put up, and then I'll come back. Got this one in. Good. Good. And good. Lots of light. These guys didn't make the cut. They're broken. All right, now that I got my power strips and my lights rigged up, now let me do some cord management here. Okay, quick intermission. Just got a call from the boss. It looks like that estate sale's on, so let's go check it out. All right, well, we've got some snow. It's actually starting to get a little bit serious. More of a ice snow though. Don't you think?
Not deep, just super slippery.
It's super slippery, but did they say that the sale was still gonna go on?
Yep, I checked. The sale must go on.
The sale must go on. Let's do this! Is that Pete? Pete! I'm feeling like we can do some snowshoe stuff. I'm doing it. Estate sale sign. Whoop whoop.
Coming in hot. Woo, it's gonna be a left up here.
Not only is it a estate sale, but it's one of our favorite guys.
Yeah. You know why he's my favorite?
Why?
He also lets me use the bathroom. Another one.
I smell pancakes. Do you smell pancakes?
They're so good.
Like maple syrup? Whoa!
Woo! Did that on purpose. I'm gonna turn right up here, I believe.
All right, we did it. I did a little Brody in the. I mean, we didn't get it on film though, but you'll have to take my word for it.
Okay.
All right, let's do this. We did it.
Look at these. These are old.
Oh, those are cool. Harold's Club.
That's cute. You need that. And they're so heavy.
No, they're old swing.
There's 4 parts.
It's all swing parts.
Suspenders. 25%.
See this old cash register, babe?
I did.
Whoa. Fun. All small, unbranded tools $1.
Hey,
Yeah.
what about this washer and dryer?
What do you suppose this is? This little hook. This hook?
Oh, no, it's not.
I want. Ask him how much he wants for it.
125.
It's the set for 125. Do we have a place to stack them though?
Are the washer dryers sold yet? Are they 125 each or for what? What is that? I went back.
There's some pullers.
Left it in your
Van, maybe. I'd probably just go back and get the truck.
Pick it up tomorrow. Tomorrow's supposed to be sunny.
Beautiful car. Yeah, I had the 41 in here as well, the 41 plus. Oh, right, yeah, 41. I saw that. I got 15 grand for it last week. Cash.
Was it as clean as this?
It was worse condition than this, though, really. The body looked great, but it needed brake work, it needed rebuilt car. It was stock. Yeah. So it needed work to be able to run. This one runs, drives, yeah, ready to take the trip. Hard to solve. Tell the guy.
Spent a lot of money. I don't know.
He loved it.
Watch your step. All right, we got some goodies. Heading home. So this is the neighborhood where we smell the pancakes. So it's either that we're in a pancake neighborhood or some maple syrup is busted open in back of the van.
Frozen, now it's thawing.
We're fixing to find out here when we get parked. But we got a washer and dryer for $90, right?
Yeah. Nobody's at the sale.
A set. There's nobody there, and today was 25% off. So
Front loader.
front loaders.
Woohoo!
So, and we're guaranteed that they work.
Is there a guarantee?
There's no guarantee how well they work, but they definitely will turn on. All right, this is what I got. I got this little angry cat, San Francisco, 1979. That's pretty cool. Got this nice little scraper, Red Devil, a file handle, this little leather strap. I think that's like police, some sort of thing here. I'll put that to use, like for your holster or something like that. Kind of a cool little can. The John Lincoln Company. Get that cleaned out. Put some goodies in there. They got a pair of really nice wooden handles that someone made, and then these little skids. I don't know what those were. This one's busted right here. Bummer. I didn't see that. Anyway, but it's decent wood for making goodies out of. And a hatchet or Ames USA axe, and then this little mystery item here. I got to look that up and see what that is. So not too bad. The big anchor item is we got a new washer and dryer, and we got halfway down the road and neither one of us remembered whether to ask if it was gas or electric. So we reached back to our guy on Facebook and asked with our fingers crossed. Boom, electric. So that's what we needed, and so we scored. All right. Got my record cleaner drain jug suspended on there. Got my record cleaner elevated up here where I can see it better. That's going to be much nicer. This lamp goes to there. I also got this suspended. This box here comes out for storage. Then I got this new cabinet. I've got 3 shelves to put in that cabinet. I'll do that here. And then I've got my bench lit up. Got my wire management going. Got it all dressed up on the back there. And across the front. All right. So I painted up this hairpin leg. This is off of an old IKEA table that I picked up. I love it because when I mount it up like this, it's going to give me a sway back. And I'm going to mount this right here, and I'll show you why we're doing that here in just a second. Let me get this one started. Perfect. There we go. These I'm gonna have to bolt that through. Otherwise I've got storage below this. Yeah. That one's okay, but this one here I need to bolt through. I'll be right back. Alright. Got a shorter screw. Let's see how this works. Perfect. All right. Perfect. Nice and strong. It's got a nice slope back to it. That's my backpack. My loop goes over the top of it. Perfect. Now, I'm going to get some lunch. Stay tuned, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with this bench. But you're going to love it. All right, we just got some lunch. I'm going to wrap this video up. I'm going to try and name this one part 1 of the Smorgasbord. The video's getting too long. I'll catch you on part 2. Thanks for watching.